Solisa Xaluva and Thembisile, they date each other. They deserve each other. Even they are dating. Solisa Xaluva, he is single for a long time. Thembisile, she is single for a long time. They deserve each other. Just because Thembisile and Solisa Xaluva, they are acting together at Gomora. At Gomora, they are acting together. They deserve each other, those two people, because age is just a number. Thembisile is older than Solisa Xaluva. Thembisile is in 70s. In 70s, Solisa Xaluva is 80, 1980. Yeah, 1980. Thembisile is in 70s, 73, 72, 73, 74. I don't, but he is in 70s, Thembisile. But age is just a number. Age is just a number. Look at Tino Chinyani and Spiwangema and Tino Chinyani. They don't look like Spiwangema. She is older than Tino Chinyani. Like Jessica Nkosi and TK Dlamini. Jessica Nkosi, she is not looking like she is older than TK Dlamini. Age is just a number. So long they love each other. They love each other. Thembisile and Solisa Xaluva, they love each other. They deserve each other. Those people.